Hey everyone, friends, today I'm going to show you how to fix the error. Due to violations of the community guidelines, you can't send messages on TikTok. To do this, go to Google search and type TikTok help. Then search and click support. From there we click on support tickets and create a ticket. To do this, we'll type something like account. Select our problem. Other. Choose no and click more help is needed. Then we describe the problem here. It'll look something like this. Yeah. Then we just hit submit. You can also attach screenshots here. It basically says that due to my mistake or simply I'm unable to send or receive messages on my account. Please, TikTok team, restore this ability for me. That's it. Then we just hit submit and you'll get a response. That's all. Bye everyone.